for the $500 trading tip and crash, where we usually analyze market. And of course, I always edition of it again. Before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill very well before you go fully into it on your real account. Okay, but before we go into details, if you are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way every other person have been doing. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3 and of course been a bit slow today, ranging within a certain region for a very long time, but broke out around there to get to this particular resistance zone, and it pulled back, went back there again. And of course, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely to go back on downtrend. But for now, this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out be above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is still buying. This might not be for a very time. It can change the direction of the market into a sell trend if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, with Boom 500, just the way we have seen it, it was on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend and it is still buying at the moment. So this is still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 sold till it got to this support zone, and right from here it started buying, and it is still buying at the moment. So for now, this is still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone, which is somewhere here. Okay, so it's going to buy more that way. So let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500 was on uptrend for a very long time, and after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so he started selling right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be Volatility 75. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is Volatility 75, and it has been on downtrend for a very long time, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, so we should take note of this. Okay, so it is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice very well before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.